Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everything's doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Hopefully, everybody's waking up good with a coffee, maybe. I don't know. I don't drink coffee. I just drink water. But yeah, so hopefully, everybody's doing great. We're about to get started. We're starting a little earlier this morning because I got an early meeting and gotta get this thing going, guys. Market's been a little like kind of effy, slow. It's always like that in January. I'm always like very cautious in January because, meh. In the past couple of years, it's always like the month that price kind of playing around, not super well respecting areas, and yeah, it is what it is. So long story short, let's get going, guys. Let's see if we have any comments here. We got I'm Yogi. What's up, Sasha? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good this morning. Thank you so much for asking. Bonjour, Sensei. Hey, bonjour, Krish. How you doing, buddy? All right, so let's get going, guys. Let's get going. And as you coming in, guys, make sure to smash that goddamn like button. If any, did I went on Discord and said I was starting early? I know I sent it in the other Discord, but fuck, I don't remember. So if anyone can tell them that we're getting started, that'll be great. I just can't remember. All right, so let's see. I need to switch the screen. There we go. And let's get this banner going. Where's that banner? Banner. There we go. Perfect. All right. So we got an alert about AUD CAD at daily area of interest. So let's start with that because we got this alert at 1 a.m. this morning. Okay. So let's start with that. Okay. So let's start with AUD CAD. God damn, I'm speaking too fast this morning. Too fast, too furious. Someone asked me, by the way, what was this sweatshirt? This is Soul Dog City. It's an NFT project that I'm in. That we're trying to derug because the previous owner is a piece of shit. That rugged everything. So I'm trying to help them by doing a lot of stuff. By the way, if you want to get on board with that project, let me share that with you very quickly. But this project is this one right here. It's pretty goddamn cheap right now because the floor went crashing. You see, like 0.1 right now. So you can grab any of those dogs and you're gonna get access to that Discord. Which we're doing a couple things. I'm building a stable for them in Photo Finish that's gonna generate income for the project. We're also gonna start creating merch that we're gonna be selling. We're gonna have revenue share. I'm also gonna drop my course or part of my course for Forex and give specific insight and private insight to holders. So there's gonna be a section that only holders gonna be have access. There's also a girl in the project that specializes in crypto that's gonna do the same. So for that goddamn cheap NFT, you can get all that. So and they are pretty fucking cool, to be honest. Anyways, so that was just a little input here. Okay, so let's get back to it. So weekly. All right, so weekly now, if we're looking at AUD CAD, weekly is bearish. Let me grab this toolbox here. Perfect. So we had the price coming down by breaking this low here and flip bearish. So now I was expecting a pullback either to this area, which is a daily area of interest. We'll go check it out on the daily, and which is also a major QP right here at 89,000. We got also the weekly area of interest just a little bit above here. All right. So if you look here, we got support there. We got support. So pretty solid. And there must be another, yeah, right here, 82,000 is another psychological level or major QP, bank level, whatever the fuck you want to call them. Sorry for the F bomb. All right. All right. Let's go check it out on the daily. All right. So, daily now, if you see, like, we got this daily area of interest, we got support, resistance, So, again, we set it. So, two times we kind of come retest here. So I was like, okay. And we are also bearish. So we're bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily. Now, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, god damn, 4 hour time frame just flipped bullish now. Okay. God damn. So let's delete that. Yeah, okay. So let's update this. We're gonna do 4 high. And for people that join for the first time or are here probably for the first time, those lines are just for me so much easier to see the market. The reason was I can switch from time frame to time frame. I just look at the color of the line and I know I'm bearish or bullish, right? So I don't have to go like, am I bullish? Am I bearish? And losing another couple minutes there just to rescan the chart, So I do it once, I just update the chart and easy. So anything in between those two lines is just bullish. Whatever price does in between here, it's just bullish. It's just market structure, right? Once we break here, we flip bearish. Once we break there, we're creating a high. Okay, so very easy. So right now, I mean, the best thing for this right now would be for price to do this, create a new high, break here below, retest, and continue down. So I'll be looking for entries like somewhere here. Okay. If it doesn't do that, I'm gonna be very only looking for price to break here, retest, and continue down, basically. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for. Okay. Actually, I can place an alert here. That's gonna say H4 going bearish, right? That makes sense, right? Hey guys, as you coming in, smash that goddamn like button. All right, let's see if we got comments or question here. Oh, comment ça va, Mister? Comment ça va? Fait que là, il va falloir frapper ces gens-là, là, chez Enfin Libre, là. Gang de voleurs d'images. Mais non, pas de stress, là. Je trouvais ça bien drôle. So yeah, we got people from Thailand right now. How you guys doing over there? Hopefully the weather is great. Better than here. It's freaking cold. Like it's not even funny how cold it is. Good morning, Ferris. How you doing, buddy? Guys, yo, is your like button defect, guys? Come on, smash it good. And the reason why I'm asking that is just so we can reach more people and help a lot of more people. Morning, Sasha Senpei or Sensei. How you doing, Amy? How you doing? Um, okay, so let's refocus here. I'm getting excited. Actually, should I do my steps? Yeah, I guess I should do my steps. I should do my steps. I should do my steps. So, give me one sec, guys. I'm just gonna get this walking pad. Because I got a couple meetings today, and if I don't do it now, I'm not gonna do it. Give me one sec, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I needed my shoes. Oh, by the way, guys, I need to show you this. I don't know if you guys ever saw that. This tablet. Guys, if you're ADHD like me, this fucking tablet is the shit. Oh my god. First, it feels like you're really writing on paper, but there's no distraction on this tablet. There's only notepads. So I can sit down, write ideas, plan my shit without being distracted, which is amazing for me. So I don't know if you ever saw it. It's called Remarkable and pretty amazing. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's just want to share with you. All right. Let's get those steps going. There we go. Come on, speed it up. Speed up. There we go. We're going. All right, we're going. We're going. All right. Okay. So AUD CAD, I think we got a clear idea. Let's update the 1 hour chart. 1 hour went bullish. 1 hour high. And 1 hour high low. 30 minute. Let's do the same thing. 30 minute is actually bearish though. So here, whoops. Not easy to do as you're walking, not gonna lie. But I'm starting to be a little bit better. Getting used to it now. 30-minute bear. All right, cool. All right, so let's take a look at GU. The infamous GU that we've been trying to grab since last week. I actually had an attempt on GU. Yeah, something that I wanted to break down during Forex Talk Over Beer. But unfortunately, I was not able to do it last week. I was sure I would be able to postpone on Saturday or Friday, but I was quite busy. We went to ski with the kids, so sorry, guys. But family first. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly here. Let's do the recap. Weekly, we are clearly bearish. We have this nice pullback. We keep talking about this. Nice pullback at this weekly area of interest inside that weekly golden zone at a major QP. So massive confluence. Okay. Now the cool thing is, which is better than last week, we got now a very nice bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. So that looks pretty good. Now, if you look at the daily went bearish here. So we were bullish on the daily. We went bearish. We got a pullback. And now it looked like we're ready to come down. But we didn't create a new lower low, which kind of sucks, to be honest. This is where we got trapped last week. So 4 hour now. 4 hour is still bearish from there to there. But actually, it's here that I don't like. God damn. Yeah, I think I did a mistake here. I think that's where I fucked up last week. That's it. That's something I wanted to discuss in Forex Talk Over Beer last week, and I think that's where I fucked up. Because here, I know it's a doji. That's the thing. Those fucking elbows, I hate them. Because they are a piece of shit. They are a piece of shit. But you know what? To be super sure, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do like if this I was counting as an elbow. So basically, the 4 hour would be bullish at the moment. Okay. So to be super sure of next entry, I'm gonna wait to break that low. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Fuck it. Yeah, sometimes that's something you can do. You know, let's say you're not sure about a certain elbow. Fuck it. Consider it as, against you and wait. Like worst case scenario is what? You got a lower entry. All right, cool. I don't mind because, I mean, if you're looking at the bigger picture, look at the daily. Look at how much room we got. I mean, look at the weekly. Look at how much room we got, to come down to this. So I don't mind grabbing an entry a little lower. Look at the shit. We can drop hard. So I don't mind. So yeah, you know what? That's what I'll do. And if this doesn't work out, I'm gonna be like FUGU, and I'm gonna run away. So actually, yeah. So basically, right now it would be bullish at the moment, but this candle is about to close. I mean, not about, but in like an hour and 40. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for GU. Fuck it. Yep. Yep. All right, so let's update the 1 hour. So 1 hour, create a new high. Anyways, I would have needed to wait for H1 to flip bearish, and that's going to be probably around the same area. So, all right, that's good. It all works out. It all worked out. 30 minutes already bearish, though. There we go. Cool. Any question about that? God damn. Okay, let's go see comments or questions. I'm Yogi. Like the streams, guys. Thank you, I'm Yogi. At least I got someone on my back. I know Chris is there too. But guys, come on. We're more than 4 people in this live. Smash that goddamn like button. Dude. We got one more area of interest on the weekly from where price is rejecting. Currently my check on the weekly. Okay, I'll go check. Got the same plan on GU as you. Waiting for internal structure on H4 to close bearish. Yeah, that's it. Just let's make sure that this shit flips really bearish. And yeah, that's about it. All right, cool. So let's go check out EuroCAD. And guys, if you have any specific pair you want to check, let me know in the chat. But you're only allowed to ask a question or ask for a pair if you did smash the goddamn like button. All right, let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So if you look at the weekly, we are bullish, right? We are bullish on EuroCAD, and we got that pullback at this weekly golden zone at the weekly area of interest, which is good. Now, if you look at the daily, look at this. Look at this. Look at, is that bullish engulfing or exactly the same? Exactly at the same level. Okay. This looks pretty dope. That paper trade idea that we discussed live on live session actually played out pretty well. So let's remove that. Okay. So let's take a look at 4 hour here. Ooh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please buckle up. We're about to leave. So this just flipped bullish. 4 hour high. And high low. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Let's take a look at our friend Fib here. We are getting inside that 4 hour golden zone. Awesome. Now let's flip to the lower time frame. So 30 minute is bearish. 1 hour is bearish, sorry. Okay. 30 minute is also bearish. Here we go. Okay. So now we just need a lower time frame to flip back bullish. This EuroCAD is actually looking hot right now. I'm going to put it in first, to be honest.
Like it's actually nicer than AUD because AUD needs to flip bearish. GU needs a 4R to flip bearish, which EuroCAD has weekly, daily 4R in sync already. That's looking fire. All right, that's good. That's actually good. Let's go check out the chat here. I was having EC in my watch list later. Later release daily. What? Later released daily is sideways though. Hold on that. Later released daily. I'm not sure I understand what you mean, Krish. But let's take a look at the daily. Maybe I'm gonna understand what you mean. Fuck is my arrow? Here we go. What do you mean sideways? Talking about this? No, we're trying. Right now we're good. We broke out to the upside. We got our pullback. So right now we're not sideways. We're starting to trend right now. We're at the beginning of the trend. So that should be good. Or maybe you're talking about those candles. But I love this about this one. All right. So I love this daily candle. I explain to you why. It's very like it's not engulfing. It's exactly the same level. But look at this wick here to the downside. This is some rocket fuel. This is some rocket fuel to get launched. Um, so usually usually this is a good sign most of the time, right? Don't forget, candles always tell you a story. You need to be able to read into that story. Okay. So here, this daily, I mean, of course, daily needs to create a top wick. The thing is, I didn't saw that daily candle how it opened up. But if it went up straight first, there's a huge probability for price to come down, create a bottom wick, and come back up after. So just gonna have to keep an eye on that. But yeah, which is giving us the 4-hour pullback. You know, so we create a new high, and this is the 4-hour pullback, which is a creation of the bottom wick from the daily time frame. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Realize. Oh, damn. Didn't look at that. Sorry for that. Okay, no problem. Um. Oh, realize. Oh, okay. Was having watching later. Realize they did sideways. Okay. I guess you got that. Okay. Would you please take a look at USD CAD sell? All right, Faris. Did you smash that like button? I'm sure you did. And if you don't, do it now. Um. All right, so let's go check it out. USD CAD. Krish, realize. Okay. I sent you the chart for FTUB for same EC sideways and why I cut the trade at B. Oh, yeah, I remember seeing it. Max Grant, how you doing? Morning, brother. Hope you're doing well. Tuning in from the morning gym session in Michigan. Thanks for everything you do. Hey, man, you're welcome, Max. Max, I'm with you. I'm on my walking pad. I'm not pushing like dumbbells, but I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving with you. Bam, bam. Well, dancing on a walk pad is can be dangerous. I'm not gonna do that too long. Okay, so let's focus here. What did we say? We said, God damn, EC. Oh, no, not EC. We said, fuck, I lost it. Where was it? Paris, USD CAD. Here we go. All right, so USD CAD. Let's go take a look. USD CAD. Where are you? USD CAD. Oh, far away. Okay, let's go check it out. Check it out. Do it now, do it. I don't know if we can still see my yellow lines on this chart. No? Oh, maybe it was another chart. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly here. First thing first, weekly is bullish. Okay, so that's the first thing first we need to establish. We are bullish from here to here. All right, cool. Anything in between is just market structure. If you look at the daily is now bearish. Those are not elbows. 4 hour, 4 hour. God damn, it's been a while. I didn't update that chart. Okay, so 4 hour went bullish from there to there. Actually, not true. From there to there, we create a higher high. Here. All right. So from there to there, we were bullish. After that, we broke here. And this become bearish. Okay, cool. Oops. There we go. All right, cool. So now let's recap. We got a weekly. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. So it can be an intraday, but I will not swing that since the weekly is not in sync. Now, if you're looking to sell, let's take a look. So we're respecting that safety net. Number one, we are at an area of interest. Here we got support, resistance, support. Okay. So it's the area of interest. We are at a major QP right here, 35. Let's do setting. There we go. Let's put major QP right here. All right, great. Let's take a look at a 4 hour. Oops. Four hours also respecting the safety net. We got a nice engulfing here. Okay. Let's take a look at the lower time frame. Let's take a look at 1 hour. So 1 hour right now is bullish. 1 hour, our high. Whoa. And high low. Cool. So anything between those two lines right now is just bullish. So let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute one bullish. From there to there. Here we got the pullback. Okay, so now we flipped bearish. Here we got the lower low. Oh, did we or did we not? Broke above here. Gonna have to zoom in more. Whew, we're exactly the same place. Okay, so this 30-minute is bearish. Perfect. So right now, I mean, you're very close to creating a higher high, which would be best in all honesty. Because the reason why is if you create, let's say you have price doing this, creating a new higher high, now you just need to break this low, retest to continue down, instead of breaking that low here to the downside and here and having a super low entry. So that's just my input. Plus USD CAD, um, like there, those are two majors. You got the CAD and the USD. There's a lot of shit that can happen in USD CAD. I think I took less than 5 trades on USD CAD in the past like 6 years. Um, Another reason why I look at USD CAD, it's because I'm in Canada and I wait for price to go lower to buy some USD money that I call vacation money. Um, but that's about it. I don't really like USD CAD. For me to get in a trade on USD CAD, it has to be super strong. Like everything has to be in line and perfect. If not, fuck it. And the reason why is because there's too much stuff that can go, um, like news wise, dude. Canada and US are in bed with so many countries and doing a lot of business. So anything can happen. And even if you got the perfect technical analysis, sometimes it goes to the drain. Like all those USD pair, to be honest, I trade some of them, like GU, but they're not my favorites for that. Because one trade, well, right now we got slow Biden, right? We got old fart Biden, so nothing happening. But back then, and I'm not a pro Trump, I'm not a pro Biden, I'm not a pro anyone. I'm just a pro Forex trader. But back then, when we had Trump in place, man, this guy was so crazy. Like he was doing one tweet, and dude, the chart can be up like 100 pips or down 100 pips, like in the seconds. It was insane. It was insane. So it's like when we were trading um, any pounds pair during Brexit. This shit was wild. It was wild, like very crazy. So, anyways, hopefully you guys get that. So USD CAD, it can be nice intraday, not as right now. I mean, because your 1 hour is still bullish. Your 1 hour is still bullish, and that's about it. I mean, the weekly is bullish also, the day. So not my favorite at all. But I'm not saying it's not gonna work. Just saying, if I have a choice, I got choice of pair that looking so much nicer that I'm not gonna put myself in danger in that thing. Is the camera blinking right now for you guys on YouTube? It seems like every time I put the steps on the walking pad, it's kind of flashy. I don't know. Yo, it's starting to get hot. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Let's go check some message here. Time is at 7:42. Um, Let me go down to the chat here. Where was I? Okay, Krish. Also check AU after you see looking good for sell. AU? Yeah, okay. Two, just waiting for a Chitin Bearish. GJ? Yeah, we'll take a look at GJ for sure. Usually I actually start with GJ. I don't know why I didn't this morning. I always, like, almost every time start with GJ. So I will go take a look for sure, man. Would you take a look on AU? All right, so we got 2 people for AU, but the question is, did you guys smash that goddamn like button or yet? Camera is fine. Okay, great, thanks. Camera looks good. Okay, great. Because on my screen it's kind of flashy, so I just want to make sure. Okay, so AU it is, I guess. Where's AU? AU. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so weekly. Oh, Krish, this is your favorite sentence coming up. So AU's been bearish since August 2022. Chris always like that. All right, so now we've been bearish for like a year. Now the daily. Oh, okay. I get why you guys are getting excited about AU. Yeah. So AU just stood bearish. That's exciting. Okay. That's exciting. That's exciting. All right, let's change those lines. Daily lower high and daily lower low. Here we go. Okay. Very interesting. Now let's take a look at this daily area of interest. We got support, resistance. Yeah, resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, so this one is this one is solid. Now let's take a look. Do we have another one? Like here, we got resistance, support. Let's go down to the left. We got another support there, another support there, another support there, another support there. Okay, so this one is also valid. Okay. We also have a major QP, which is right here. Okay. Okay. So we got the retest of this daily area of interest. We got a nice engulfing bearish. We rejected the daily. We rejected this the goddamn major QP. The only thing I don't like though, it's such oh actually this makes sense. It's a very small pullback though. That's the only thing I really don't like. Well, we at least rejecting 382. So, okay, I can make peace with that, especially with a nice bullish engulfing here on a daily. Okay, so we're building up our case. So trading is like a detective that goes on a crime scene, murder, let's say. Okay, you got to gather evidence to build up your case, right? So this is when I do trading and when I look at pairs, I'm actually looking at gathering evidence, you know? So I'm building up my case. In this case here, we're building up a case that price is bearish, okay? So what else we got? So we got a lot of stuff already. We got a weekly bearish. We got the daily bearish. We have a small pullback, but we're rejecting 382. We're rejecting a daily area of interest and a major QP. Plus, we got a daily bearish engulfing. Okay, great. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's bring back those lines. So, actually, this and this right here. Perfect. So now we did flip bullish from there to there. After that, we flipped bearish and flipped bullish again. All right. So now I need the 4-hour to go bearish. Perfect. This starting to look good. So we're going to put it up. All right. Good catch, guys. Good catch. Teamwork, baby. Team fucking work. What's going on here? What did I do? Why? Okay. Sorry. I had a problem with my YouTube thing. And why I'm not... Okay. Perfect. Okay, so up next we're going to GJ, EA, and GA2. Damn, we got too many pairs for this week and upcoming week. EA 2 Sasha with GA2, CatGP. God damn, you guys are on fire. All right, so we're gonna go take a look at those. All right, let's do GJ. Let's do GJ first, and we'll go take a look at yours. But guys, make sure you did smash the goddamn like button, right? Okay, so let's start with the weekly. Okay, so weekly is bearish, and we are currently at the lower high on the weekly. We got a pretty massive weekly candle right here. We did fail on breaking previous high here. So right now we don't have any indication on the weekly. The daily though, the daily established a new higher high, two dojis, and look like we're due for a little pullback here on this daily time frame. If we can get a bearish candle here on the daily, I'm going to be able to use my fib. But right now, daily is bullish and weekly are bearish. So they are both against each other. Let's take a look at the 4R. 4R is what? What is this line? Okay, so here, from there to there, that's bullish. Yeah, that makes more sense. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, okay. Clarity. Great. Yeah, add a nice little 1.5 to 1 here. Goes GJ is the one I scalp, so that's why you see those little small trades. Yeah, GG, I'm not interested right now. Yeah, I really know that this shit is just disgusting here. Like, not interested. Another thing I might do is like scalp, but even here to do my strategy on scalping, it doesn't make sense with this candle. So the only thing I might be looking at though is for this daily pullback. If 4 goes down here, retest to continue the low, might be looking at it for like intraday scalp, but not interested. Okay, so now up next, GA. GA. GA used to be my second scalping pair. I used to call GA Gold's cousin because GA was wild back then. Like these days, they're not so much. It's still a little wild, but it was crazy. It was crazy. So let's start with GA. Let's start with the weekly. Right now we are bullish. Yeah, we did flip bullish. I mean, we're at a higher high on the weekly right now, guys. We're at a higher high on the daily, so I'm not interested. I'm just not interested. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Yeah, just fuck it. You know, I know this is exciting because you get the daily bullish engulfing, but I don't believe in this. And if I prefer to miss it, but this for me is not healthy if it just continues straight up. We need a pullback. You know, plus we're gonna need to retest this area. So I don't know. I prefer to miss that trade. I just don't. I don't like if you had to move from here, yeah, that's fine. You know, from that H4, I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the safety net. Yeah, dude. You know, so if you got the trade like around this area, fine. But now to where it is, nope. Big no. Okay, so next one, EA. Um, EA. GM waiting for price to come to the daily GZ where they yeah. So we got plenty of time to look back at it. So I'm gonna focus on the one that are closer. Is it good to buy GG above 188.859? 188. 188. But the problem is you got 188 right there. Like look at this rejection, those 2 wicks, right on the dot to this major QP, right? Um, so I personally would not buy before breaking and closing above that major QP, which is 189. So, and you're literally at a higher high at this point, like at 88.859, like 85, where 859, somewhere around here. Like, look at this. You got how many pips you got there? You have like not even like 20 pips. It's too tight, but I mean, this is just my personal opinion, right? But for me, way too tight. Way too tight. So plus look at this. Look at this price action right now. It's in the dog shit area. You know, it's like someone trying to climb, but it's slipping on shit right now and keep falling down. Did I just say that? Whatever. Okay, sorry, dude. It was not against you, obviously, right? You got that. Um, okay, what was the other one? EA. Okay, EA. You guys are being creative right now. Let's take a look. Weekly. All right. So weekly was bullish for a while. Since what? Since June. Since June last year, we're bullish, and since then we're just playing in between here. Right now, we rejected that safety net. We broke that daily area of interest. Here we have support, resistance, resistance. Oh, okay. This is a good weekly area of interest, though. So weekly area of interest. Let's delete this. We broke it. We didn't respect that major QP. Do we have another one? I think we have another one here. 62. Okay, great. So we're still bullish on the weekly. Daily was bearish. Oh, anyways, it flipped bullish. Whatever happened there, we flipped bullish from there to there, actually to here. Okay, so now we're bullish here. We are bullish. Okay. So weekly bullish, daily bullish. Where can we come down? Retest. This looks like a solid area. We got resistance, support. Yeah, okay. That'll do it. And we got our golden zone just under. And the area is at the 382. So, okay. Okay. 4 hour. Where's that line? There we go. So 4 was bullish from there to there. Okay, okay, okay. So, what about 1 hour? 1 hour was, what the fuck? It's been a while. Okay, so let's update this. So from there to there, this was bearish. Okay. Now, after that, we flipped bullish here. And here, we did flip bearish. Okay. Oh, this one just closed. It closed like literally as we were watching it. So this one's going to be 1 hour lower low. And 1 hour lower high. Here we go. All right, 30-minute. 30-minute is bearish also. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we need the all right, let's recap. So let's go to the weekly. So weekly right now is starting to have this pullback. Okay. Daily. Yeah, I think something like probably like around like Thursday, maybe EA might be ready, somewhere around there. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, that's good. Damn, we got a shit ton of pair here. I think that's enough. All right, so let's recap here because there's some pairs I didn't even look here. Euro CHF. Let's do this. Hey, bye, guys. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Here are the weekly. Weekly is bearish. All right. Daily is bearish. Came up. Are we? Think we got that doji at this safety net? Did we? Oh, look at this. To the dot. Okay. 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 And this was an area of interest here. We got support, support. Now it's starting to be very far. So that, yeah, I remember that's why I didn't mark it down. Okay, so 4 hour now. Okay, I kind of missed that. I kind of missed that pullback. When was that? Was it yesterday? Why the fuck did I miss that? I guess the 1 hour was not giving me an entry. Okay. So now let's take a look at 1 hour. Shit. Yeah, clearly missed it. But there's no. When was that? When's the first time? I guess here somewhere was a great entry. Like after this doji right here was a pretty goddamn good entry. Oh yeah. Like look at this doji. This is the 4 hour pullback, which is also the 1 hour pullback. Doji. Fuck. Damn. How the hell did I miss that? You know, that's the thing. When you got too much pair looking at, that's a problem. Fuck. Fuck. Sorry for the F-bomb. Okay, but it is what it is. So now, how can we get in that trade? Wait for a pullback. So the next pullback, I'm not gonna miss it. Fuck it. Actually, I might because I'm gonna be in a meeting, but. So 30-minute there. Here we go. Okay. What time is it? 8. Ooh, I'm gonna running a little late here. 80 USD. And the rest I think we covered. Yeah, I think the rest we covered. EuroCAD was looking very nice. I really like EuroCAD here. Yeah, got a very healthy pullback on the 4 hour. Look at those candle; they're getting smaller. Look like move is fading out. We got that doji here on the 30 minute. Okay, so you can recap here. We need to update the chart. Actually, that's good. 1 hour. Okay, that looks good. Let's see here. Let's see message. Krish, on EA, daily G's in daily area are in sync. Yes. I think we looked at that. Since it would be great if you would go through the question that I sent you on Insta. Your opinion helps a lot. Okay, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. This is a happy weekend so far. This is my first time trading. So give me one sec, guys. I'm gonna read the question. Everyone's engine is more choppy. I was just saying that. But I was just executing my plan and system without caring about market condition and people bias. Auto January isn't treating me well. Blah blah blah. Okay. So I was having this question about the decision that I took. Will this SBE and the most important rule of set and forget? Did I make the correct decision by breaking my rules in this trade? Please let me know. Well, by the way, if you made the right decision by breaking your rules, rules are made for not being broken, right? So I guess you got your answer there. Um, but doesn't mean that I never do it either, right? So um, this is my first time breaking your rules. Okay. Okay, so let's share that chart. Let's share that chart. Here we go. Cool. All right. So, could you also assist me with the CD weekly? Okay, so that was okay. Sorry, this chart is not for that question. That chart is for your BE. Okay, I think I'll go back in private with you with that. Um, but we'll go with the Euro NZD question. Could you also assist me with the Euro NZD weekly trend? So let's go take a look. Euro NZD right here. Okay, so weekly trend and elbow in today's Forex stock over bear. I'm really confused whether weekly is bearish or bullish due to that one fish elbow. Thank you very much. Okay. Um, that's personally how I did market. I don't really like that one. Like you said, that one's fishy. Plus, for me, it was good to retest this weekly area of interest, which is probably at the golden zone area. Look, not making this up. It's just that's exactly the wick, and we got our weekly golden zone right here. So, so that makes sense, you know. So it makes sense. I'm actually going to delete those area because it's been broken. So I want to clean up my chart. Um, daily. Daily is bullish though. Daily is now bullish. So let's update that. Daily are high and daily are low. So I mean, right now, I'm not gonna look at the Euro NZD for a little while because I mean we need to break this low here or have a pullback, create a higher high. So it's not gonna happen like it's not gonna happen this week. So don't bother. Way too far. Um. Okay. So I guess we got plans. We got way more than what I thought. So we got a lot of pairs to look at, which I don't like. So I'm gonna try to go at those charts again a little later on today, maybe tonight, and kind of lean a little bit. Removing the one that's kind of FE or not close to happen because I want to clean up this. I got too many to look at right now, but there's our good potential. For me, I think EuroCAD looks very solid. Um, AUD is also looking promising. GU finally might have to be good. But you see that now we're not breaking now. You see this rejection? Bullshit. So we're gonna be careful with this. Um, Euro CHF also looking solid after this nice pullback. Data is still bearish. We have the safety net. 4 is bearish. We're having this pullback. 1 hour is bearish. Now just I missed the initial entries on that one. So I'm looking to see if we're able to get back on that trade. So let's see here. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you so much. I need to run because I got an early meeting. Thanks so much for being here. We should be good for Thursday Forex Talk Over Beer, 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to tune in. We're going to have fun. Grab a drink with you. We're going to chit chat, break down some charts, winning, losing trade, and maybe whatever is going on in the market. All right. So thank you again, guys. Have an amazing day. Don't do anything stupid. Trade safe. Peace out.